Hello again, we're back for day 3. Starting with the Supercar Paddock, because I realised what I'd missed most of it. And I set off thinking I'll get that on the way out, and then on the way out, I got that on the way in. Oops. Oh well, I got it now. I'm sure it wasn't this bloody crowded though. Thursday.
I always find the windscreen. Yeah, I know.
We're waiting for someone to hold the camera up so they can walk in front of them.
Getting the digs. There's a sticker on this one too.
I got Technic Koenigsegg. Mirror.
With a conflict of interest, could be, but because it's hard, it's not quite hard.
New Jags hiding away. It's a shy and ugly. Sudden change in eras there.
Let's go, Goodwood! Oh my word! Back ahead. Front wheel, going. Get up to the handlebars. We're going to drag down the best trip as possible we can. And then, 1, 2, 3 winners. You're going to do absolutely
display car park. Lots of Porsches to start with. Mini undercover, I think that is. And keep the do stuff throughout the day. So we've packed the nose in and rather close, so you're going to get a lot of bump shots now. Sorry about that. Still, I suppose they are nice bumps.
Believe it or not, become a kind of try straight away. Racing goes first. Took my hand into late pass. 2 drinking now. The flip with. Oh my goodness, what a range of Rooster Star. Around the floor, what the girl got to do around here. It's very exciting. Green way now, dropping green. He's one of the athletes. The TGB now, what's he got on this big last? The 720 trouble has the 2 rotations and takes his hand off the right. And now the final rider is a local again, part of the British cycling team, hoping to make it to the next Olympics. He starts the back with 360 on that. Second, and the right leg on the last. Oh my goodness, right riders. Please get on the top, Charlie.
I think that's where the other foot walk around.
Get on up real good, it's fine. Take these real quick. You've got to make the loudest noise for the person. 263.6. Let's start it off. 1 hit, the mountain bike rider. 2 minutes at the end, Mr. Charlie Hart.
That is stunning.
Quiet, kind of quiet, kind of quiet. Mr. Replay. Oh, what is it? British cycling very young. Right flipping. Jordan Clark. That's great. There we go. There we go for Jordan. It's dusty. You'll see the rider looking at my shirt. That's definitely going. There are great big metal tracking devices, 130 kilos, 3 stories up, 22 minutes in distance, the 59 deliver you. He's going to be the best right now. They're going to have 2 young seats that come up here. You're going to hear all of them, and you'll see it a little bit louder for the best. Then we can go into the finale. All going to get French at least. They're going to make it out. Upside down, 3 stories up. Still blows my mind every time. Right, Dad, I'm going to ask you a question. Keep your language clean. Alright, how is it on them? I'm just feeling right now. Tell these people what it's like on these things, love it. Yeah, you know what, it's really tough for us because we love being at Goodwood. It's like the best event of the year for us. And unfortunately, people we make it really good. I really can't go back. Shut up, come on, give it up with these guys. You know how much I want to play. Okay, so I'm going to roll call them. Superman Secret, please make one call them without your favourite. First go riders, Superman Secret, Aaron Powley, the first one was the best one. Superman Secret, here again. You sure what you mean? Aaron Powley! The running man that I was just spoke to. You sure what you mean? Stand with me! And the backflip as well. Please do. Last but not least, thing too. The backflip from this guy. Your winner and your green. It's Tony Quinn. Like this. And this guy's a big man. About 7.8 tall. They like to get through all the stations to make it before. All right. Don't go anywhere. Don't go anywhere. I've got 5 rows, 7 rows, 7 rows, 7 rows. So, when we jump, we're not quite there. I think you guys have been very deserving. I've never done so far.
Look at that play. Frenchman living in Belgium.
Because I know me, please. We don't want to for all of them. As I go call our representatives. Right now, we're going to go down to Kevin Smith. And Peter Perez. Not that
Excuse me.
So all of these last jets. Between the two. And he hasn't even run it, and he's like,
Cars. Impressive parts. As you can see, the best bit here is that place. Stunning car again. I've not been drawn to the fan at all, honest.
No, that'd be perfect around where we live. Just get a little bottles.
£60 for it. See you later, mate.
Doesn't need an exhaust, so Miltech have given it a body kit. Car audio security stand.
We do ready to go to play.
Slam sanctuary. The speed that charge is going up at. I'm strained behind.
Huge backflip. Then he's up, he floats the second one, that wing catches him. Over the last, a backflip, tail whip, he's upside down. The breakaway is one of the big names in BMX at the moment. Again, one of the Olympic hopefuls. Starts it off with the backflip. Floats over that second, the wind is causing some trouble on that second. Then we go up. Oh my goodness! The seventh with the double. He's a legend again, part of the British cycling team, hoping to get to the next Olympics. Jordan Clark, big three. What's he got on this last? A double backflip! You are joking!
Sideways and inverted, Peter Pillar upside down. The candy bar flip, leg goes through, right away, one upside down, once again, 3 stories up, 120 kilo, metal impaling device. It works the brake, work the throttle to line up. Yes, Ryan! Oh my gosh, they're going so big.
And what's Aaron got now?
Yeah, he got out of it. Aaron Powley, it was right off me. Show-stopping wave, nevertheless. Dan with me! Yes, Dan, the wiggle flip. Why would you be wiggling unless you're just petrified up there?
Squibby's up. Yes. Squibby with the backflip, super slow.
Peter Pillar, what's he got? Oh, cheeky little cat. Stepping through the ClipChamp flip. You remember what to do, Goodwood. Come on, they deserve your love. Bash your hands together under your tonsils, all of you, wherever you are. So, once again, the shirt, the flapping means it's the bums are twitching when you're up 3 stories on the bike, okay? These guys are doing everything they can to work through the conditions. I'm going to say the tricks they did, then their name, scream all of them, scream that bit louder for yourself. Here we go, who's your winner going to be? Ryan Powley! Big Pro, Aaron Powley! With the wiggle flip, Mr. Dan Whippy! Stay in the same order. With the massive, massive motor whip as well as the flip. Jamie Square! Or with the can flip, is it going to be the check man himself? Peter Pillar!
Oh, okay. because now we are going to try to get even more dangerous, even scarier,
What?
if that is even possible. We're going to try and get as many athletes as we can on our course. And as many
That's a 1. That's a 2. That's a 2 bikes in the air at once. That's 3 bikes in the air at once. Find the fingers. Roll call, Sam. Who are we looking at trails?
Yeah, Charlie Hart on the mountain bike, Freddie Pullman on the mountain bike, Joe the Batman Barry on the BMX, Ben Towell getting squirrely on the BMX, Sean Gornall, Miller Temple, yes, huge from Reefway, and finally up the rear, Mr. Jordan Clark.
And on the side of the gas side, I'm going to try to ride this Mike Brown, and Mr. Jack Price, Matty Henley spinning. We have got our freestyle motocrossers training it and flipping it again, upside down. Every single one of them. We'll roll call them straight after. We roll call Zach, Ed, Sean, and Elise. Hardcore UK crew in the house. And the final names, but of course, not the last names we mentioned, but they are going to be for this particular show. We've got one more show, and we're going to show these cats. Can you save that big old round of applause for all of these guys and our FMXers? Ryan Powley, Aaron Powley, Dan Whitby, Peter Pillar, Jamie Scribb. Let's go, Goodwood! Hey, Sam, let's not let them go anywhere.
No.
Got some Land Rovers doing Land Rover shit. Just one in the middle, because he ain't going to take long on that. Swing back to this first one. And I think I'm going to have to move around to see anything else, which is really annoying because this is lovely and shaded. Found another shady bit. I'm not melting so much. Watch him getting away. Cheers, dude. Let's switch to this one then. Sean on the other side. If you pattern wide enough, you'll get the one on the next lump as well, just under the trees on the right. That one on the pneumatic thing's just been pushed up, so it's got a steep come down. Moving off now. Let's drop in for the next one. See if we can get the banked wall again. Down this hill. And we'll do something weird around that, and oh, it's where he's picking people up. I think I'm going to do something on that sensor board there. Looks like it. That's a quite the angle, to be fair. So I feel like you're going to the tip over when you throw them around the corner. Porsche camp. Go down the bars for the Toy Story Porsches. Start with Woody. Well, you can see the interior. There's Buzz. Big ass spoiler, of course.
You see the big blow around here. It seems like a burnout car, but this is the kind of trick machine that does it his way. Have you spoken to us since the first run something? Because everyone's the first time they go, oh, see, now they didn't something terrible. Right. And I was talking to somebody, my friend Lee.
Jesse.
It's a little more intimidating than you actually think. You're like, oh, it's just a sweeping left-hand turn. No, it's not. So Mitch Paul has been pulling some positive weight. Speaking of weight, this gentleman right here, the first ever Z. This is the new Z, the most modern version. They're not available here in Europe, but they are available worldwide. So it's really cool to see Christopher Swarber.
Yeah, like this is much more.
He's been competing 20 plus years. Multiple vehicles here, from trucks to but you know, he's your Mad Max, he's your Mad Bull. His state Bull is full of cars in the Mad Black in New Zealand. This vehicle is called Bullet. This was built to race high-speed hill climb. One of the scariest races he's ever competed in. He said,
Dakar machines.
It's always been done.
Red Porsches. Lots of them. A field full of Porsches. Green ones, cut through. Big bank of blue ones. Obligatory Golf. Surprised there's only one. Our yellows. Yellow with gold, a couple of browns. Two long burgundies, and then shit ton of silvers, including this beast. You know what? I reckon there might be more Porsches here than there were Patrick's made. You don't know who Patrick is, that was my previous car. The MG6 TL. There's only about 300 of them. We move on to the whites. Pan right in a second for some more blues on the stand. By the actual hut. And then swing back to get more whites. Got a lone red on the end here. Did he turn up late? Or is he running the show? Just noticed that video cut off then, I'm not sure how much I've missed it. We've come past the whites, we're on to the silvers. Again, no silvers. I'm guessing it was somewhere in the whites, so let's have a pan left as well to pick some of them up. And that down to some silvers again. Into the greys and the blacks. I don't think there's anything mega interesting in them, and frankly these colours start to get boring, so I'll pan across. You can shower because I've missed yours. Well, I should have brought a pretty colour. Some seriously dusty stuff. For the dust cloud.
Only down the road in Paddock, off-road armoury. This is powered by LS Go Motor. Pushing out a radar. Now, the figures say it's 700, but I don't call the drop on it. I think it's close to 620. But the best thing about this today is it's his birthday, so we've all got to speak to him later. So once again, this car is using those monster 40-inch Maxxis Chevrolet tyres, has twin socket shoulders on this corner. King and this one, I believe,
Dust.
Oh, absolutely. So we use different compounds for different races. So if we're using on a rocky surface, on a harder surface, we'll switch to the harder compounds to get better tyre wear. If you watch Axel here smashing across the rocks, look at the way that independent front suspension just softens as it goes through these, makes those logs and those rocks look so easy. Then hard on the throttle. Now he got a telling off yesterday for hitting the barrels, and he comes to off the rats for that engine. Not working off. I think that's what we call a full throttle assault there for that.
Oops again. That's how it's done.
That's the